Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Well, I'm relaxing, but I don't watch Jeopardy in this room for no more. Okay. So I need to get a new cable box here. Okay. So I'm gonna get that switched out and get another a mini box from Cox Cable. But anyway, never mind that. Okay. Today, James Holzhauer is going for his 19th win, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so you know what? Somebody commented on one of my videos earlier from yesterday, and guess what? He told me he commented that his heart was racing out, beating. You know something. Everybody thought, if y'all watched that episode yesterday, everybody thought Animal was going to win, Excuse me. I thought that too. So, I'm not cooking pancakes today, okay? I'm talking about pancakes in my Jeopardy vlog. I don't know why. I should have vlogged about Prices Right earlier, okay? But I'll talk about it about Prices Right another time, okay? So anyway, James Holzhauer is going for his 19th win today, okay? Will he win today, or one of his opponents is going to be a giant killer? We'll have to see. Let's see if James Holzhauer is going to whip that ass today or not. Will he whip that ass, or will one of his opponents be a giant killer? So as y'all know, Buzzy Coin was a killer against Andrew Powell, okay, and then Aaron Delaney was a giant killer against Buzzy Coin, and I was expecting her to go through wins to she get her 5th win and go to the Tournament of Champions with Buzzy Coin and Andrew Powell, But unfortunately, that didn't happen, Okay, so that's all Dominoes 7 got to say. Getting ready to watch Jeopardy in a few minutes. So it comes on out here at 6 o'clock. Okay, so I'm about to go watch Jeopardy right now. So it comes on in 3 minutes out here in New Orleans. Okay, all right.